Yeah, whole heap of food, you know, for storm. Yeah. Take time and stack up, you know.
Yeah, yeah.
Blessed,
All
blessed.
right. Stay safe.
Yeah, man.
Walk through. You see the boat, them have to push up all the way up into the park. Walk clean now. Check it out after Monday, Tuesday. All kind of tree and stump and yeah. Everything, all of them car have to go move up off of the seaside. Push up in the front. See there? Crystal Plaza, right there. Boat and everything. Reporting live from the Morant fishing village, St. Thomas. Before the storm, Hurricane Melissa. Storm surge coming up. All boat off of the seaside. All boat is off the seaside. Everything push up. Check out the garage. Lobster wash up on the seashore this morning. Morant Bay Park, you know? Rudolph Elder Park. Reporting live before Hurricane Melissa. Last boat to come in off of the sea today. Everybody been waiting for the boat to come in. Last boat. Last boat to come out for the sea. It will take long, you know. You wonder why it will take so long to come in. So much people didn't already help them.